In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Word doc to Google Docs. If you have a Microsoft Word document on your computer and you want to open and work with it inside Google Docs, the process is simple and only takes a moment. We'll start in Google Drive, since that's where your file needs to be uploaded before you can open it as a Google Doc. First, go to your Google Drive. Once you're there, make sure you're in the main Drive view so you can easily add a file from your device. Google Drive is the storage space connected to your Google account, and it's the easiest place to manage documents you want to use with Google's tools. Next, click on the New button. You'll usually find this near the top left area of the screen. This button opens a menu with different options for adding or creating files in Drive. From that menu, click File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to bring in a file that already exists on your computer, rather than creating a brand new document from scratch. After that, select the Word document from your device. A file browser window will open and you can navigate to the folder where your document is saved. Click the file you want, then confirm the upload. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the document, it may take a few seconds to appear in Google Drive. Once the file has finished uploading, locate it in your Drive. Then click on the three dots next to the file name. This opens a menu with more actions you can take for that document. In the menu, hover over Open With. This will expand another list of apps and tools that can open the file. Since the document is currently a Word file, this is the step that lets you choose how you want to view or edit it. Now click on Google Docs. Google will open the Word document inside Google Docs, allowing you to read, edit, and continue working on it in a more collaborative browser-based format. This is especially helpful if you want auto-saving, easy sharing, or access from multiple devices. And that's it. Your Word document has now been uploaded to Google Drive and opened in Google Docs. If you plan to keep editing it online, just make sure you're working in the Google Docs version so your changes save properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.